Alright, today we're going to show you Okamoto. This is a model 1224DX. This is a 3-axis automatic. You program in, semi-program in these different functions that you want the machine to carry out, and then all you actually have to do, the operator, is put in the final size. Or the amount of material you want taken off the part, and 0 being your final size. It's hydraulic. Your controls are down here. This is your selector switch for cross-feed, like it's stepping right now, or continuous. This is your adjustment here for the amount of the step, and this here is for your speed of the table. Over here we have a coolant system with the magnetic separator on it, and this machine is currently wired for 220 volts. The hydraulic system and the oil reservoir is all inside the machine, and that keeps everything at an even temperature as it warms up throughout the day. So what you got here is all your turning on your hydraulic pump, your spindle, your coolant system, and your vacuum if you had it. You have a rapid up and down. You have an inching. This is inching the wheel down into your workpiece while you're grinding, or if you just wanted to advance it. Up here you have the different modes that you select, either traverse grinding like we're doing now, or you could do a slot grind or a plunge grind. You have your table stop, sparks the table, and then you have the selector switch that starts it again. So you don't actually have to shut it off down here, but you only have to adjust the speed there. Here you've got your magnet. Light is on to tell you that it's on, and it demags, has a cycle, and you also have a potentiometer there for the amount of magnetism. You can lower it or raise it up to its maximum. You've got a cross-feed mode, whether you want to bring the saddle forward or bring the saddle backwards, or in the middle position you would leave it to reverse on its own automatically, which it does by the little set of dogs that are very similar to these that are mounted on the side. These you adjust to get the stroke of the table and the stroke of the saddle. Then you have a program, some switches to program some little things here, like your fine grinding. When you want to switch over from a coarse feed to a fine feed, you put that there. How much the actual fine feed is, you put that there. And up here you put what the coarse feed was. So I like to just set them up for these videos. I'll feed 1/1000 each time. When I get down to about 2/10, I'm going to switch to a 1/10 increment, and then it's going to go into a spark out. You set it here, the amount that you want it to spark out, how many times. So the quickest grinding to do would be to put it in the middle position, which is slot grinding. See, now the saddle's shut off, and we're going to feed on both sides of the part. So I've got to go over here to my stock removal, and I'm going to put in a value. I'll put in 10/1000ths. So there's no cycle start button on this. You just have to switch this down to the auto sizing. And you see we go down now 1/1000ths each pass until we get to 1/1000ths away. Then we switch to the tenths. Now the cycle's already over. Obviously this is a quick cycle. And it does the spark out. So that's the Okamoto DX model. They're all basically the same. The 820, the 1224, the 12, they're all different sizes. You also have your manual pulse generator here, where you can slowly and carefully come down onto your workpiece. So at its highest setting, one click moves you 5/10. 5/10? Yeah, 5/10. And then you have your finer one, where one click moves you 10 millionths, all the way over there on the right. So that's pretty good. All right, so what else do we have to say about this? We got the spark out, we've got the different modes, we've got the rapid up and down, we've got the table start, we've got the table stop. I think I've covered everything. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.